In part one, we completed the color wheel, and in part two, we completed the gradual tonal bar. In part three today, we are going to be focusing on mixing complementary color schemes. Complementary color schemes create neutrals. Sometimes we want to mix these two colors together to create browns, grays, and sometimes blacks. So these are great colors to mix together when you are trying to make natural neutral colors. It's really simple to do, especially since you finished that gradual tonal bar. We're going to use the similar techniques to mix our complements together in a value scale method. So we're going to start with red. Red's complementary color is green because green is across the color wheel from red. You are going to take your red colored pencil and you will color a nice, even, hard pressure above the word red. And using circular motions, you are going to move across the tonal bar, getting lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter until red disappears above the G in green. You can always go back in and add more layers to make your value scale transition more smoothly. The next color we are going to use is green, and we're going to do the exact same thing except the opposite direction. So we're going to color a nice solid even pressure of green above the word green, and then as we move across the value scale or the tonal bar, our green is going to slowly mix with red and get lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter until it disappears above the D in red. Now again, similar to our gradual tonal bar and mixing our secondaries and tertiaries, the intensities on the end are really thick and really nice saturated color. But the color in the middle in between is causing white paper to show through. To fix that, all you have to do is keep applying light layer of colored pencil to continue to develop the thickness of your color. And you can layer this as many as 4 to 6 to 8 different times until your intensity matches in the middle as it does on the ends. We can see here that our red and green has created a brown mixture. Depending on how much green or how much red is mixed in, you might see some maroon. You're going to repeat this same method with the rest of the tonal bars using your complementary colors. So starting with blue, the complement of blue is orange. And that is how you create complementary color schemes and neutral mixtures like warm brown, cool brown or almost gray, a warm brown, gray, maroon tone, and then mixing white and black, we know just makes a neutral gray. Stick around for part 4, where we will go over experimental colored pencil mixing.